哇，这个是地铁吗？啊，71亿打造的地铁站，深圳之眼。这个是亚洲最大的地铁站，有23个出口站。听说它这个速度可以达到120 km， 而且有一段还可以看海景。醉了。
Ride with the mob, hamdulillah, check in with me and do your job.
They say this is the metro station, but down is just another whole city.
Watch, Prezi plain Jane, Yamagini chain, rest in peace.
There's restaurants, milk tea, places, anything you want, shops. It's another world. Wow. Oh my god. 这个是地铁吗？This is the map of the biggest metro station in Asia. 听说这个地铁可以坐商务车，那我们来看看味道、价格怎么样 ？Let's go。看这个还可以 AI 的
Hello,
回你消息。
I'm a digital employee of Shenzhen Metro.
Oh
May
my！
I help you?
还有这里残疾人呢，可以 technology。是多少钱？15。哦，可以可以。
你好，狗公，请问您需要什么帮助？
这个可以坐商务车，看到这个小宝宝吗？那边那么多人，但是这个是商务。哇 ，This is the business class。然后那边是普通的，但是进不去。这里还可以充手机。看这个蓝天白云，这感觉很舒服，很富有，能这样的生活，哇塞！那么猜猜我下一站要去哪里？ Recently in China, I saw another thing that moved me a lot. A video went viral on the internet in China. These are not homeless people like in other countries' metro station. They are. Recently in China, Zhengzhou is experiencing high temperatures. People captured warm moments in the subway stations, showed how tolerant China is. Workers taking a break and sleeping on the ground. Children playing. Elders hanging around in order to escape the hot weather. You wonder why it's a very moving thing. As we all know, people can be doing these kind of things in the metro station. And China is a country who is very strict in rules. And I guess that's why they keep their country safe, clean, organized, and united. But at the same time, they are very humanitarian, tolerant, and care about their own people. They didn't leave these people to feel the sun's heat. In fact, they provided these spaces for them without any hesitation. This moved everyone, including me. I'm living here in China and I see all these. And I want to share with you what I see. Rules are very necessary, but also being tolerant is necessary. And China is doing both. Peace and love.